Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Welcome guys, welcome to Kino Life in the car, not Jamaica, because I am driving my car. Says welcome guys to Kino Life in the car. As you can see from the title, the Mongo, she returned back. She returned like the Jedi. She is back. Yes guys, so hold on, it's mad driving going on right now. Yes guys, so you know D is back, so you know the thing goes already, you know. So I'm just said D, she's a good friend of mine, so I'm not gonna leave her alone, no time at all. You understand? So I'm on my way to go pick her up, you know, before them drop her off. So pick up before this drop. Yes guys, so I'm going to pick her up now, you know, and then take her to her Airbnb where she's gonna be staying, you know, but we're gonna move her around a bit, you know, and see what we can get done, you know, before it gets too dark, you know. But anyway, you know guys, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica, and we thank you so much. We thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, God bless you all. You know, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for everything that you have been doing helping out this program. Yes guys, and if you're wondering what's going on with the Wow Chef project, you know, as I mentioned in my last two videos, that I mentioned that Wow Chef, you know, he's working, you know, he got a little construction job that he's doing, like, you know, a couple of days to put some money in his pocket, you know. So that's what's happening right now with the Wow Chef project, you know. So that's what I'm saying, you know, I'm gonna have to work to make his ends meet, so I cannot stop him to go and put in his work, you know, to put some money in his pocket, because a man need money to spend at the end of the day. So Wow Chef is doing some work, you know, some construction work, helping out on a building site, you know. So it is doing the labor, so he's getting his labor pay. So at least now, you know, for the days that he's working, he's getting paid, he's getting some money in his pocket where he can buy food to cook or do whatsoever he wants to do with his money, you know. So I always say guys, this charity is a volunteer charity, you know. They volunteer their time. It's not a monetary game, you know, it's not a monetized game where they're going to be getting paid doing charity, you know. So, and you don't want them to be sitting down waiting for any handout. So, you know, it goes already. So sometimes it's good for them to go on the road, you know, to put in some work to where they can make the ends meet, you know. So you know, it goes already guys. So remember to put the thumbs up while you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica, you know. So stay tuned, put the thumbs up, and I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, you know. And I thank you so much for watching Kino Life in the car right now. But the car is in Jamaica. Yeah. Them say we here, we ain't no faker. You know, so yes guys, so we on the road to 100,000 subscribers. But first we have to reach the 70,000, then 80,000, then 90,000, then 100. So how much are you watching right now and you haven't subscribed? You know, put up your hand if you're guilty. If you're guilty, there's no problem. We all forgive each other, you know, just the way we want the Almighty to forgive us, right? So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, we do forgive you, you know, but we still thank you for watching Kino Life in Jamaica, right? So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, you cannot do so by subscribing, you know, because it shows that it says 68% of the people that's watching haven't subscribed, and that's a lot, you know. There's 68% watching and they haven't subscribed. So you guys, so most guys, so you guys are watching, you know yourself, you're watching but you haven't subscribed. You don't know why, you know, but thank you Sammy for still watching. You know, if you're a part of that and you haven't subscribed yet, you know, what are you waiting for? Just to subscribe, you know, it won't cost you nothing. Just to put the thumbs up as well too when you're watching. So subscribe guys. Don't feel afraid, you know, you're not gonna lose a sleep if you subscribe. And you're not gonna lose no food. You're not gonna lose your husband or your wife if you subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. So please do so and subscribe. So let me stop here quick and fast. You know, quick and fast. So I'm stopping off right here in Churchtown for a quick minute. You know the thing goes on with it. Rosa Rose! Rosa Rose, what go on? What? That sound like a new song.
You kiss me and you walk away. You were only 17. I remember 'cause you act so mean. You told me, you say you don't love me.
No.
Say you don't care.
Just.
I remember, darling.
Hey, tell them.
I remember everything so clear. I sing it, darling. You know that you lie. Darling, I love you. You know that you lie. Lie.
Hey, Rosa Rose. One Ellis, guys. One Noel Ellis.
Yeah, we're up on the scene there.
Yeah, they are passed through in the street, you know, looking at the scene there, you know. Rosa Rose in the building, guys, you know, the thing goes, you know, Rosa Rose and don't borrow people clothes. No.
I cannot forget the night I met you. You gave me love in the morning. You stole my love in the evening.
Sure.
Now that you're gone, girl, I can't go onward without you.
You have to come back.
No, I'll never. Oh, I'll never. Oh, I'll never love again.
Never again? Why you make Rosa Rose now go love again? That is not good.
Because man a give born now, woman a give born.
Hey.
Born fi run, me say, run the born.
Hey.
All of the gal them better give me born.
Hey.
All of the gal them better give me born.
Hey.
Backbone them a
Get backbone.
Backbone
Them a get backbone. Born fi
Easter
run.
come man, you get born. Easter come man, born a fi run.
Run, it a fi run.
In a Easter, see piece of cheese ya. Na bun, the bun fi Easter. Born a fi run, me say, run the bun. Bun fi run, me say,
Run the bun.
me get bun, it not done.
No.
Woman they go, woman give bun now, man a give
bun done. Them a get backbone done.
all of the gal them better give me bun.
Hey,
All of the gal them
give me bun now.
backbone
Them
them
a
a
get
get
backbone.
backbone
Them
them
a
a
get backbone.
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 Them a get backbone.
One Rosa Rose, you know. That is it. Every day I pass through. You see, I watch a youth play football in the street. The future boys down Jamaica baller.
You know.
And you know.
You never know me time you usually run out. Time you usually run out.
No. I'm going to swim there and walk out. One number you run out to that.
At 12 me usually run out. At 12 me run out.
I'm sweet I can see the big number 10. Messy Rose.
10 man at 12.
At 12. Yeah, guys, those are was them past. Those are was them past 10, so you know, 12 him run out in that. No, 10. You see me say I'm bigger than Messi. You see me, because Messi we're 10. So the man we're more than Messi. 12, we think. 12 the man think then. No, 10. Alright, one rose a rose. Pick up yourself, you know. Now we have nobody close. Alright. So the kids them over there playing football, guys, you know, so they're making a quick stop here in Trenchtown. Them a give bun and I get back bun. Alright guys, so I'm literally back where Dee left off. And so I'm back where she left off to continue on our journey. So guys, did you like the video already since you watched? Guys, did you like the video already? Remember, you know, when you like the video, it helps the program grow. You know, it's like the algorithm. The more you like it, the more YouTube will promote it. You know, that's how the algorithm is. Like it for it to get into the algorithm. Just keep on liking the videos when you're watching, guys. Please don't forget to like the video. Alright?
That's okay. That's fine.
Hey, I've been spying long time.
Really?
Right, guys? Ask them all
Like
that.
minutes?
And 1 hour.
Guys, I am back again.
Yes.
Guess who's back?
She's back where she left off.
Of course.
Yeah, she's literally back where she left off.
Finally, I'm back again.
She's back again.
Anyway, guys, so Kira caught me unaware because I'm checking on something on my phone, and I'm like, what do I do now?
She was stand up sleeping. She was literally sleeping on her phone.
Sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
People
good.
do that. People
Nice
literally
to
do
see you
it.
again. Welcome back again.
Welcome back
We
again.
continued part 2.
Yes, guys, imagine we're back where she left off. Right? We're back
Imagine that.
where she left off.
Imagine that.
Right
Sitting
here.
Right here. So.
Right here, so. She left off here and she's back right here.
Yeah.
Like she never
I
went.
can't go away for long.
For
You
long.
all know.
You all know.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Nice.
Jamaica got something on her, boy. She go on till
Everything good. Everything nice.
Everything
Every
nice.
day it gets more addictive, you know? Every day you fall in love with them harder.
So that's why we should love our country as much.
Yeah, so
because
much.
people on the other side love it more than us. But me know we love it so much.
You don't know what you have until you lose it. Or you go somewhere else.
And then you want to come
Then
back
you
home.
want to know. Like, I remember when I was traveling with Shane. Shane was like, Jamaica is nice.
You want to go back home, right? You want to go back home.
And I was like, I'm happy at least you can feel that. Because really, Jamaica is such a nice place to me.
Sure.
My
It is
happiest
that.
place.
It is.
You all know.
love your country, right?
Yeah.
Jamaica, #1. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Alright, guys. So, we're going to bring out our belongings. You know, mirrors. Black and yellow.
Let me not just stress myself. Let's just go eat and everything. Then before I sleep, I finish
What's this,
editing
coconut
and
water
let
too?
it upload. Wow.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's here.
Yeah, man.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, man.
One, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, deal.
It's like
Up here, operate.
Time.
Up here, operate.
Yeah, man. I'm up here. I'm operating.
Oh, nice. Let me get your number just in case Kino doesn't make it so early morning.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Definitely, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
for
think
sure.
I have it. Let me
Yeah.
check again.
I have a different one.
Oh, you have a different number.
One year man TV, give yourself a shout out.
People who are going, you don't know it's about Nigel Yaman TV. We're out here like normal. Big up Kino and Imoango. So we're out here. So you guys can check me out. Nigel Yaman TV on YouTube.
Still keeping up the smile same way.
Yes, no man, believe.
Please, no
That
man.
is it. Nice to see you though.
One
Yeah,
year
man.
man.
Good to see you guys, man. You know long more I see you guys.
Yeah.
I imagine I when me talk to you. Yesterday?
Yesterday, yeah.
Yesterday. Look now.
Wow, that
Okay.
is just meant today.
Exactly, I'm telling you, we're gonna link up and do some
Yeah, we're
videos,
gonna
man.
link up for sure.
One year man.
Yeah.
Lot of fish them man you catch.
See, as a fisherman.
As a fisherman. How much pay you go fish?
You know, some fish out over Elsha.
Oh, El Chego?
Yeah, Elsha.
Oh, when me see how I go and cook.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I somewhere else.
Yeah, man, over Elsha, man.
This will look different here. Which part of El Chego that I go?
Upper Elsha Heights.
Up heights.
Yeah.
All right, save like this. Let me call you. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Let me call you so that.
Yes, guys. So let's get. So go and check out Yaman TV. You know the thing goes already. You know it's been around. You know it's been around us. Been around from Christmas. Let's
All
see
right,
him
you
here and
can
us.
save it. I'll
You know,
call
so you
you.
can give him a check out. You know,
Okay,
Yaman.
nice to meet you
Hey.
again.
Yeah,
Mr.
man. Nice
Nigel.
to see you guys again, man.
So I go with a phone full of stripes here.
Yeah, man, I need a phone, you know, cause
Phone full of stripes.
you see it.
What happened? Water?
It's water and the sun.
It's a Samsung phone. It
It's a
looks so
Samsung.
good. Yeah. So just see a phone like this, I can tell this is a Samsung phone because I'm a Samsung lover.
Oh, it's a Samsung lover.
Hey, look at this fish.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
this is a 15-pound jack. I catch
You
this
caught
one.
this?
Yeah, I caught this one.
And you throw it back
outside.
off.
No, you know, somebody did not let
You
him
think,
go.
yeah, man,
Oh,
it's
you
like
did.
you.
But I'm gonna let him go. They end up
That's so
share
good.
him up with some other people and also cook half some of it.
Hey, that's so nice,
Yeah,
man.
man.
That's so nice. We're gonna link up, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Let me
definitely.
rush. There's somewhere I'm going.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright then, yeah, man. Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, big
Take
up.
it easy.
Yeah, so what? You don't think your man can throw a fish back off? Ask him how many fish him throw back off. Yeah, man, how many fish you throw back off in the water? I see a lot.
That's
It's not
Kino
all.
behavior.
It's not all it means. Cause you got Cameron family, I will go out and see him throw off back a fish and say, go survive. You see, and more fish did come.
Ah, yeah, we
See,
yeah, same
it was our
thing.
blessings.
Yeah.
It does work. So if me never throw it off, we would have probably eat crackers.
Only crackers.
This is Rasta man.
Wow, God, Rasta, you good? Hey, I see you have something nice here.
Tampes little.
Yeah. You made it yourself?
Yeah, made from lignum white, yeah, one national flower.
Do you have castor oil?
No, I got incense and fragrance.
Okay. You got the
500 a pack. Get a pack up.
500. No, not me. Maybe Kino, but me. If you had, how do you call it? Castor oil, I could buy it.
Yeah, castor oil should have buy.
Yeah.
No, I don't have any castor oil, but I can the malt and the pest, you can beat the castor oil.
I don't have a house to cook yet. I don't have a Rasta money yet to cook.
He's talking about beating the castor oil.
Beating the castor oil.
Yeah.
I don't know how to make it. I buy the
I
ready-made.
not see. The party I not see.
Next time, Rasta.
Yeah.
I don't have a pot.
Alright, next time, Rasta man. Big up yourself. Continue upon yours.
Let $2,
$2.
yeah, 200.
Kino has something.
We give you something same way. That's Yeah.
Chiqua.
Eh?
No, what is it? Connecticut?
Connecticut?
No, a Chinese language that.
No.
She African.
She
Yeah,
African.
thanks.
No, she said as usual.
Oh, as you.
Yeah. You speaking Connecticut?
Make up your nice clean self.
Connecticut. The way you speak in Chinese.
Jamaica is clean.
Yes.
Smells nice and fresh.
Yeah, the car beard.
That day it was stinking. Stinking car. Today,
The car beard. Well, fresh. Alright, guys, so let we drive out for a minute. Thief. That one got poop in it.
eh?
Eh?
What did you say?
Oh, no, no. I said poop.
Guys, let me know if you have a friend like Kino. Kino, when I get in the car, I get any drink, I pass with it. You know those friends who you visit and the first thing you go in is in the kitchen and get anything you get and eat? Make yourself comfortable even before they come.
When they come, everything done. Everything done.
And they don't feel bad about it. You know what I mean? Like
No, let it
those
go.
special friends. Not everybody you can do that. Of course, no. Never.
You eat out my biscuit. You eat my biscuit for.
Nice.
Alright. Thank you, sir. Alright, guys. So let me just do a bit of driving right now and get back to you. 1 sec.
That's also what you want?
Ready back for the burger competition?
Guys, we're back for the burger competition. Who will win today?
Me.
You will win today? We try it?
Back for it, guys. You have herbal yet? No seamas. Pineapple, you say?
Sorry. So what's that papaya and guava mix?
I mean papaya and guava mix. You try the papaya and guava mix. Papaya.
But I have the jelly with me, so no problem.
Oh yeah. Two. Yeah. Cool. It's been a while. Yeah. Today we're gonna finish that competition.
It's another competition.
That one is chained up. It's chained up.
There's another one just next to me.
So guys, we're gonna eat this burger again like last time.
And I'm gonna win.
So this time there's no.
Are you sure it's a competition again?
Yeah. So
Today, whoever wins gets 5,000 grand.
5,000 grands. $5,000.
5,000 grand. Yeah, 5,000 Jamaican dollars.
$5,000. So you know the thing goes. So at the same thing, same for the same, cause the same one I go pay the bill. The same one I go pay the bill.
Yeah, it's the same who's going to pay the bill.
So let's see. The last time she have a head start. You know, they said that you were eating before. They said, Kina, don't worry, you never lost.
You lost.
Because she already was.
Lost.
Because she was already eating. Alright, guys, so we're waiting.
Yep.
And the burgers. And the burgers.
Meanwhile, I'm chewing my pumpkin seeds. Very nice, very healthy.
Yeah.
Guys, health is wealth.
Let
Trust
me see.
me.
Yeah. Go higher.
Oh, okay.
It's
Yeah.
lean.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a bit lean.
Mm-hmm.
Lean. One side lean. You see?
Kina likes
It's
being a
great.
perfectionist.
Hey, I'm telling you, that's what.
Not so bad.
It's still like this.
Yeah.
Need something for go underneath there to keep it straight.
But it's okay.
I want it. Alright. So guys, so we're here for the part 2 burger eating contest.
Hey, today I'm not feeling fit for the contest.
Hey, so we got a win already.
Ah, you got a win already?
Yeah, win
Who
already.
said so?
I said so.
Nah.
You better ready.
I better ready?
You better ready. So this time I'm going right through. I'm not waiting. No, I'm not partial, no one.
Guys, I'm having my pumpkin seeds. They're so good, very healthy, very, very nutritious. Very. Don't throw them away when
Tastes
you're
like
cooking.
popcorn, though?
Yeah. When you buy your pumpkin, boil it as well to then just chew it. It has so many nutrients to the body. Don't throw them away. Always cook. You can boil
Parch
them.
it. So we then do them parch it.
Yeah.
These one they parch it. The first time I come here and I tried, I was like, why is this like popcorn?
Just so good.
So good, right?
For me, I normally even eat them raw. I don't need to cook.
You don't parch them? No?
I just take them from the pumpkin. I can just dry them under the sun and just eat them that way.
And I put this cayenne pepper inside as well. Hot.
Yeah.
If you miss that cayenne pepper, boy.
Hey, like that, there's a day I missed. I was like, no way.
And the cayenne pepper was something else. I'm telling you.
We're at Ibo Spice. If you ever come to Kingston, looking for vegan, authentic vegan food, come here. It's located actually in downtown. Just Google it.
On Orange Street.
Orange Street.
So it's
Yeah.
102 in a going.
Thank you. Smells nice.
That's eucalyptus, right? Yes, eucalyptus. That's eucalyptus.
I just boil it.
Yeah.
Wait. I just boil it.
Just boil
Okay,
it.
tell me.
Just boil it.
I boil it in the pot and just drink.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eucalyptus.
That's so good. I'm going.
I'm gonna so guys. Yeah, so you know eucalyptus, guys. You know it's good for drink.
This smells so good. Wow.
Got a lot of health in it.
Woo, smells good.
When you rub it out, it smells so good.
Yeah. Wow.
This is what you use as well. So remember when we went to
Even for mosquitoes, you rub on your skin.
remember when we went to what do you call it? Bath fountain.
Yeah.
And we got the aisle. This was
Yeah.
also in it as well. Eucalyptus.
Oh yeah. Hey, that was so good. I finished it.
Yeah.
Every day I could rub it on
On
my
your skin.
skin.
Yeah, so guys, so eucalyptus. Okay, so here the burgers are here.
There's no smoothie.
No,
No, nothing else.
no ice.
No herbal lady.
No, not herbal lady.
What?
Herbal lady.
Herbal lady.
Yeah,
Herbal
no.
lady.
He's got coconut water.
No, I have it. So we good.
Me want, General, get one of your coconut water, me, please. So I'm gonna need coconut water to wash down one of my burgers. And be even drink nothing.
I have mine. All big buckles.
But you need one on the spot right now, so you have to choose.
No, me, I'm not in for the
You have to choose which
competition.
burger you want. Because listen, one is
I think
heavier
it's a
than one.
competition.
Of course.
Nah.
The last time you win.
Today is not a competition, guys. No.
You back down. So you attempt to keen on
And also, you know why I don't want to do the competition? Because today I wore lipstick, so I need to go home, wash it, then eat. I don't like.
guys.
More so for the burger because you have to bite it, so it goes on your lips, of course.
Alright,
I
listen,
don't want to eat
guys,
that.
when I was coming here, she said, Kino, let's do this burger competition again. I know she's backing because she's the one that said 5,000 Jamaican dollars. You know, so she already said it on the camera. So even if she lost, she has to pay. So even if she's not entered, she has to pay. So choose which one you want. They're heavy. One of them is more heavy.
What is next to me is what is mine. No, this one. Yeah.
That's the heavy one.
How do you know?
I know, you feel the weight.
They're just the same.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make you feel it to swap it.
Let's see.
No. You see, yeah, you can see it. Look. See. So I got my.
Guys, it's not a competition, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat mine at home.
What? Alright, then no problem. Let me go and eat, guys. She's gonna pay. You gonna know the thing, though. She already said it on camera.
No,
So,
just take your time and
take my
go
time.
ahead.
I am eating already. So this will be the first bite. Come.
You sure it's a competition?
Alright, come, let's eat. Let's eat. We're not gonna eat fast. We're gonna eat slow. Come.
No, but honestly, have lipstick on.
And eat the lipstick.
No, it's not good to eat it. Maybe I try and rub.
Sure.
And it's not even going to come out. I don't like eating so much when I have it until I wash it off.
Oh, it's gone now.
It's gone?
We're not gonna compete. We're just gonna eat it. So guys, so this is what it looks like.
Very nice.
The breadfruit burger. So you never tried it before? Breadfruit burger. So nice.
Just good.
Don't it?
Why are you eating quick like we are competing?
I'm not eating because I'm taking my time with eating.
Guys, I'm not competing, so let's not finish and say I won.
Well, I can see the beginning of the video, guys. You know what everyone says. So why are you taking such a big bite? Why you take such a big bite just now, do you? You take 2 big bites. That's like... No, you're trying to race me.
The pepper, alright.
Wait now? You why are you taking such a big bite if you're not racing? No, fair, brother.
Because surprisingly, weekend gone. Rain.
Yeah. Yeah, see? See, you're wicked. You say it wasn't racing, you're taking some big bites. You know what? Guys, there's no competition. There's no nice
I'm done already.
No, there's no competition. You already said
There
it,
is.
so there's none. No.
There's no competition?
Wait now, wait. No, understand.
You are done and you're acting like you're not
I'm
done.
not done. You're making some big bites. You got like 2 bites left.
They become the winner.
You wait now?
No.
Look.
No.
Look, you see who close.
No, you're not being fair.
You're not being fair, you're making big bags.
Me, we are not competing with anybody and doing nothing. I said I'm not competing. I'm just taking my time and going.
Take your time then, no? You taking your time?
No, I cannot.
What did you not come to that anyway?
I've won.
Well, you say we're not in no competition.
I've won.
You still got more burger in that same way. You got some crumbs inside.
No.
You have to complete it. Look. 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 Look that, look. Done.
It's done.
Well,
What do you want me to eat here?
Yeah, piece of breadfruit there.
No.
Piece of onion. And piece of
I won. I'm waiting for my $5 grand.
Well, guys, remember she said there wasn't no competition.
By the way, you insisted. I just said, all right then.
No. After I make 3 big bites. You see what I go a Rasta one? You see it though? Yes. I'm glad you have witness here. Yeah. After she made 3. I'm glad I got witness. You won, yes?
I won.
She won, yes?
Of course.
After you cheat. I'm glad you have witness. You take 3 big bites. And you say like,
I'm the winner, so I'm waiting for my 5,000. And he's paying the bill. Paying the bill plus paying me.
She said it more than one time, so it wasn't no competition, so I kind of ease up and let her go. And then she only take 3 big bites. Like, damn.
You know, guys, I have to win in everything. I have to be the best.
Answer, come. Come answer.
So now, I don't need to pay the bill. I'm waiting for my payments.
I want to know I enjoy my burger, guys. You understand? Because
I can't just enjoy.
there was no competitor right here, right now. It's just only me compete with myself.
No.
Of course.
I'm waiting for my 5,000.
Yeah, man. Wow. Pardon, that was good. That was good.
I'm so full. Oh my god.
Full?
So much.
And we have a next burger to go and
Hey! Really? There's another one? Can't eat that.
Is it a burger coming, guys? It's one more burger.
You are to take home.
No.
But it's very healthy, it's so nice. You don't feel like, you know, if you eat McDonald's burger, you'll be feeling different if you ate it the way we were eating it.
Yeah. But this one is so good, guys.
Let's go see.
You know the thing goes already, guys. So I'm the champion for today.
You'll never be when I'm around.
I'm the champion for today.
When I'm around, forget about it.
What is in the bin right there? Well. Oh, to go check. Alright, guys, so you know that the thing goes already. So I am the champion for tonight. You know the thing goes. General, big up yourself, yeah?
More strength.
That's the king, man. You could get a king, you could get a queen. I don't know when we get a queen for you. Wow, you done.
Done. Next time, done.
Alright, no worries.
Yeah.
Give that. You don't want a king?
Big up, man.
Glorify, yeah?
Yeah, the queen should have won. But
Sure,
next
no.
time, man.
I mean, meditate that too, you know.
Yeah.
But you me just go somewhere that some people buy that.
Next time, man.
Next time.
Yeah.
One down here. They are partial, but I come pick up something. One. Barnabas.
As you know, you're locked into a sponsored hour. It's brought to you by General Paintings Limited. Satisfaction guaranteed.
Jackson. Yeah. Yeah, man. One Jackson. Yeah, the link, man, and tell us yo, link up yo.
Yeah, man.
Chunks. They were there pass you quick and fast, you know, make sure pick up something and they will move again. And go on all the ends. You know the thing goes already. One Jackson. One boom down the mine. Yeah man. At the link man. Yeah.
Are you going to paint yourself again?
Yeah.
I was looking at it and I'm like, what happened?
Yeah, it's gonna paint again.
Who's going to paint it?
The artist.
The artist?
Yeah.
It looks so good. Yeah, right there, so.
Yeah.
Keen on life in Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Just the way it was, it looked so good. The
Yeah.
moment somebody comes here and see that, they know I've reached.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I have to go back there, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's gonna go back there.
Yeah, for sure it needs to.
So guys, so this is what Trenchtown is like in the nightlife.
Very cool.
So they're gonna see what Trenchtown is like in the nightlife. Not too many bright lights.
Yeah. Lovely place.
Not too many bright lights. This is the Trenchtown.
She's in the house. So guys, look, today Kina is filming.
Yeah,
It's like, what happened? They don't know I normally come here so many times.
exactly.
And
But
I don't even record.
and don't even
Even
record.
right now I don't have the camera.
Exactly. And you come here again. And I show me have the camera now. And it's good thing this camera now is good at night. Because remember the GoPro is not really good at night.
Meow.
Esther!
Meow. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Esther is here.
Yeah. That's good. You good? Meow. No, I want to go with the hangers. No. That's it. Thank you.
What mean you rest up? Oh, that's leave?
No, I'm just here.
No. Alright then, later.
Alright then. Good night.
Did you get this up for son? You send it to her?
Yeah, I'm missing something that.
Okay. And she did text me, so she get it. She don't know. What you come to?
22. Jamaican 22.
22. Alright. I'm gonna come tomorrow. Me and say, just a year so they move out. So they come get the thing for the call. Yeah.
Can't you imagine I'm going to freeze again? Freeze and shine.
Freeze. Yes guys, so Dee come pick up her winter jacket.
Yeah.
You know, because you know she's gonna hit the road. Who that slippers?
Yeah. Go on. Yeah, you good? I'm good too. Once you have life, you're good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Whoa, chef. Whoa. Yeah, man. Come on for the walk.
Got more chef up something, you know. See, just there, man, so I did.
Them there, I got
When I
drop
go
off
shopping.
you. You say,
Weekend.
when you work again tomorrow?
Yeah, man, I go up so tomorrow, so man, you can go and me up there, me and ratty style. All I think got them again, pound, you know. Yeah, man, tomorrow I go clean out the whole, you know. I see, you see.
Yeah, work hard, whoa. Guys, worship at work hard, you
Yeah,
know,
man,
so.
you see, come on, just next week before we eat food, so I say, Jaja. You see, I'm going to hold it still, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause you see me, I say,
Enter for me.
hey, pick up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, you see. It's a 40 man, genius.
So when you not work?
No, Saturday when I work, man.
Alright, Saturday. Alright then. Alright, so come do some work then.
Yeah, man, it's Saturday when I work now.
Alright. So this is Ro. Hello. How you doing? Greetings. This is
Oh, man, that's
Ro. This is D Mwango. Greetings. How you doing?
Yeah.
Everything is alright? Yes, Ro. So this is the vinyl and record store. You know,
and vinyl records. That's what we do. And entertainment and vibe.
entertainment and vibe.
Yeah, you forwarding tomorrow, bro, to the event?
Yes, sir. You know, I have to come give a support, man. So much, bro. So this is the Monga I was telling you about from Kenya.
Oh!
The YouTuber I was telling you about.
Yes, it's example.
Sister,
Tell you what you know?
I studied that years ago.
Oh, years ago.
Years ago. I know a lot of, like, what was it? Nyam means eat, right? Nyam?
Nyam.
Eat, but nyam is, no, nyam means meat. Or food or something. And nyam to us is when we eat. Some of the words are similar.
Nyama.
Yeah.
Meat.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
study, yeah, so it's close to Arabic. I used to study Arabic, but Kiswahili is like one of the
different.
languages.
Yeah, but our Swahili is not the best in Kenya. It's the
Not
best
anymore.
in Tanzania.
Uganda,
No.
Uganda.
Uganda is very broken. I think the worst.
Wow.
Yeah, but Tanzanians, they speak the best Swahili, like the real Swahili.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I probably would not fit in.
Yeah, Kenya we speak a lot of English, not so much Swahili.
Nowadays, yeah.
Yeah,
Back in the
nowadays.
days,
But
back in the
Tanzania, they
days.
speak a lot of Swahili than English.
Still now.
Yeah, until now.
But Tanzania got a nice little vibrant tourist thing I see going on.
Yeah, Zanzibar is so beautiful. They have some
Yeah.
beautiful islands.
You been there? Been to Africa?
No, that's our last part. That's I want to wrap this up first.
Okay.
End of the decade.
Yes.
End of the decade.
So, Ro, you know me, I always have to introduce them again. So, tell them again what you do
Oh,
and
yeah,
everything.
no question, man. So, we are the Street Supply. We distribute local designers t-shirts. We distribute our local artists, musical artists t-shirt, as well as their vinyls. Well, vinyl period. We're one of the last vestiges of record shops, vinyl record shops in Jamaica. We can provide you with brand new unopened vinyls. We could also provide you with pre-owned vinyls. We do vinyl sessions. Friday we do a vinyl session called Kingston Vinyl Collective. Sometimes we collaborate with our family club RPM.
Yes.
Our new family South Coast we're gonna collab with soon. But here, man, this is the base, man. We're located in the Dubwise Cafe, which is
Watch
pizza
out.
already.
Special delivery. Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sorry, I'm ready. You know Kino, though? Yeah, man.
Big up, man.
And of course, you know the Dubwise Cafe is located, is situated on the Higher Herb House Complex, 82 Lady Musgrave Road. Just vibes, man. It's a natural vibe. It's a cool vibe. We deal with music. We deal with our culture. You know, we call ourselves brand ambassadors to the world. You know, in the world, you know, most people they come, they get a souvenir, or they fly out, give it to their family. So we bring back. Some people wear it themselves. Some people love the vinyl, them collect. We sell vinyl players. You know, just trying to like push life back in the vinyl industry in Jamaica.
Yeah. But there's more to road than this, right?
There's way more to me than that, bro. But you know,
The next side.
the next side.
So they're gonna see the video on that side as well. To tell them about that side as well.
Yeah, well, okay, so this is the fun job. Yeah, people, this is the fun job. The real job, I am a real estate agent here in Jamaica. I help people live, I help people manifest their dreams, whether they want to get rid of a property or they want to acquire a property. Like it's your first property and you're just starting out and you need guidance in how the process works, what documents you need. I take pride in helping and assisting ones and ones and putting all that together and letting their real estate dreams manifest in Jamaica. I always say that real estate is the equalizer. It's the great equalizer. It is the only thing that a regular person, me or you or anybody that can use to acquire wealth. Because once you purchase a property, every year it increases. It appreciates in value. So if you buy it for 20 million this year, next year at 21 million, 10 years from now at 30 million, and so on and so forth. So by the time you know, getting ready to depart the world, you have something to leave for your family. You have some type of wealth, something of value to give them. You get me? So, and then it's a force multiplier because at the same time you're living on it, you can build a little 2-bedroom and have that pay off the mortgage or NHT or whoever. You get me? So it's the great equalizer, man. So I take great pride in educating my peoples in Jamaica, like you know, my countrymen. Like it's a viable thing, and we need to look into it. It's a serious thing, you know. So that's the day job, you know. But like I said, this is the fun job.
This is the fun job.
Yeah.
This is the fun job. So remember to check out Lee Mongos as well too on YouTube. Let me show you.
Yeah, it's only that I don't have so much time, but next time when I come back, we'll come and meet you.
Yeah. So definitely when she come back, you know, she would come and meet you. Eating a pizza.
Right. Wait.
Yeah, nah. So that's it there.
Yeah, bro. It's ready for me 14 years long.
Alright then, so here's where you have healthy eating as well to over here.
Okay, veggie campus.
Yeah, everything healthy.
Everything healthy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is where you normally come to get food.
Yeah, I come here as well to eat. Right here. But there's a next spot. Not here always, but a next spot. But not this one. Alright, roll. So I'm gonna run as well too. Oh, here you are. So I'm gonna run as well too. You know, so I'll catch you up. Take care. I'm enjoying your pizza. Kaya.
So,
right?
there, bro. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, you got a heart of gold, my brother.
Yes, man. You know we're here for help, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
We're here for help, man. So
you work with more people like you. Not like you. Empress, it was an honor and pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Empress.
Definitely. Next time we connect. But I'm gonna check you out now. We connected anyway. I'm gonna check you out.
She's gonna check you out your videos.
Oh, okay, yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Sister, she on the road to 500,000.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow!
Yeah, she's on the road to 500,000 there, you know. So we're trying to get her there.
Oh wow! Most definitely, I got you.
Yeah, got you.
Thank you.
Alright then. So, bro,
Thank you so much. We'll see you again.
you know the work continues for me. It never stop.
Yeah, man, the way you got it.
Never stop.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah. Never stop. My general. Big up, yeah? Yeah. Trinidad. This is where you get all the Trini food. See the Trinidad.
Food.
Yes.
How do you call it? Doubles?
Doubles. Even doubles. Look, here it is.
Oh yeah, doubles.
Doubles is there.
Trinidad.
Yeah. So this is where I get my Trini food when I'm
Okay,
ready.
even there's a Trinidad flag here.
Yeah.
Trinidad was such a lovely country, by the way.
Yeah. So it's called Trini.
Art on the wall.
Yeah. Up here is nice. Like nice, chill, cool
In future,
vibes.
I must make my backyard to have the Rasta.
Imagine your backyard look something like this with all the lights, the
Colors
settings, and the gravel.
Yeah.
So nice. So let's
Kino's chilling place, guys. You have to know.
Alright guys, from Dovewise Cafe to now we at Fontana. So do you want to enter Fontana?
Yeah, I want to get something.
Something. You want to get something. So we at Fontana. Something.
It's not something anymore, but
No,
something.
something.
If I stay in Jamaica for 6 months continuously,
Yeah. Ah, thing good? Hold on.
I speak pure patois.
Yeah.
Deep.
Fontana. So let's go. You have Starbucks cafe as well too.
Yes,
Yeah.
India cold.
Koala. Let's see you want to get. General. Big up. Yeah man, cool man. What flavor are you looking for? Watermelon.
It's not really watermelon.
It smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah.
I think it's still the watermelon, I think. It's normally
Alright guys, so that is it. So time for D to go check in into her place, you know, so you know, time's running out for me as well, and time's running out for her, so she needs to go check in. So that is the last move for the night, right?
Yeah, that is it.
That is it. Come on the road. The next move. You got coconut water. Yeah, good. You gonna drink that all for tonight?
Of course,
Those 2 big bottles?
Of course.
Yeah.
No, it's only one, the big one. The other one is water.
Oh.
Yeah. Where did he park?
Down here. Alright guys, so we're back at this spot, Mayfair. You know, Mayfair that I showed in my previous video. You know, so he's gonna make he's gonna stay here, you know, tonight. I'm saying this is a nice ideal spot, you know, for whenever you come to Jamaica and you feel like staying somewhere that's, you know, off grid. Right here is nice, you know. You should try it, Mayfair. So here's where Dee is gonna be staying till when she ready to go on.
Down.
Yeah. It's like something is going on differently.
Like a meeting, something.
Conference or something. Like a whole lot of people. Wait.
They have to let you in.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.